I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
If you live in the city or the country I stay in, you didn't know how hard it is to make money. And it even gets harder when you think about converting what you've earned in dollars just to purchase something that is priced in a foreign currency. It's a challenge that many has faced, and I've felt it deeply. But yeah, for real, I used to hear stories about how people will completely change their lives in 6 months, in 1 year, and so on and so forth on YouTube, TikTok, and the rest of all the socials out there. And how they even turned around everything. And I thought to myself, what if I did something different from what I've been doing? And then I started studying the habits and the mindsets of successful people. And I found out one thing they all had in common. They talk about discipline, they talk about consistency, they are disciplined, they are consistent. And I actually did find out this as well. They had this willingness to actually stick to the process, even when it wasn't all that glamorous, okay? And today I just woke up, reminded of how far I've come. There was a time mornings felt heavy, like broke, stuck in a room, trying to make trading work with no cash in my account and barely any hope in my heart. I chased a dream that seemed just out of reach, believing the online world of trading was as easy as it looked, until reality hit me hard. Which I got a job, which some of you have been watching me for a while. I tried to balance my work while trading and slowly rebuilt myself, not just as a trader, but as a person. And today I feel grateful for the struggles that shaped me, the lessons that pushed me forward, and especially the patience that brought me here. For the first time, I've invested in something I once couldn't even dream of, which is a real FTMO account, which most of you might not understand the joy in it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another day in life, and I want to say good evening to you all, and I hope you all are doing great out there. And I just came back from my run, and I just had my shower, and I'm just checking out the charts. I just want to take you guys along with me, so I'm going to be buying my first FTMO account today. What else do I have to do? I'll also be returning this mouse. I got this wireless mouse because this other one was bought, but I found out that this is not really wireless because it seems that I still need to attach something to my laptop before it works. But first of all, I don't like this type, which since it's something that has required to attach something, so I called him up and I'm going to be returning it. I need something that is purely wireless that I can connect with the Bluetooth. Then take you guys along with me what I'm looking forward in the chat, and maybe take you guys along with me while I buy my FTMO account, which is something I'm so grateful for, because you guys know I started this journey with 0 naira or dollar in my name. Like I had nothing attached to me, and you guys have watched me come this far. And why other platforms I trade, I don't mention them. You guys know the saga that goes on with platform accounts. And for those that don't know what is platform is a proprietary firm that gives you the money for you to trade for them, and then you have a profit split if you're able to trade profitably at the end of the month. And some people that also do weekly as well. But first of all, you have to pass the challenge to show them that you're an asset or you're a consistent profitable trader. And those of you that have been talking about me making videos about Profirm, I think really Profirm, I have 3 lists of Profirms that I think are reliable to me, but you have to do your own research to know the one you can go for. FTMO, Fibers, and Funding Grips are the ones I've done some few researches, and I feel like they are reliable. And FTMO being the first in my list, I'm going for FTMO first, and that's why I'm making a video of the Profirm, first Profirm video I'm making on my channel that I've traded other Profirms. Okay, going to go get some stationaries as well, because my book for 5 daily goals, 5 affirmations, and 5 values is filled up. It's filled up, so I'm going to be going out to go get more stationaries and maybe sit out, do some work, some editing today, and while waiting for the trade. Like you guys remember the previous video I made, I said condition, stage, and execution. So I've done my focus, and that's what I want to take you guys along with me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. want to waste too much time on the chat before I go on, so I just want to do a quick rundown on what I'm looking forward to in price. And for those of you, this is Notion. I use Notion for journaling my trades. So if it's the first time, please do well to like and subscribe, and also you can check out this video for how I use Notion to journal my trade and how effective and should I say productive it could be for you as well. Then BTC is really rallying up. If you've checked my Instagram as well, you will see where I forecasted this trade right here. This here opening price here, price started manipulating to the downside. So once I get the setup, then I'm drawing out my liquidity box with the high and the low formed in that weekly candle. Now I'll be targeting the PD array opposite at discounts for take profits. That's also at premium. And now if price should trace back into discounts, as you can see here in equilibrium, price is reacting from here, and price consolidated and price expanded away from the consolidation, and here price took out this high. But I don't like this relative low that price left in this discount, so that's why I'm still skeptical, and maybe price can still come inside this range before going up. But still on still, price might just continue expanding up to go for this external range liquidity. Removing DXY so you guys can see the trade. So 4 hour is where the trade is. If you can check my community post as well on my Instagram, you see where this BTC trade is all about. So we got displacements up at a POI, breaking structure, retracements back up, we broke a structure. So you know, I told you guys that if I want to be buying, I'll be looking for price to come and take out this low right here before we look to go up. So this is literally the BTC trade. The stop loss is really big. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not on this trade, but I've been checking it up ever since I did the forecast. You can check it out on my Instagram as well where I made this post. So I think that's just what I'm looking forward to. Even in USD share, absolutely the opposite of what I'm looking forward to in GBP USD. That's what I'm looking forward to. This clean low now, I want to see price come sweep it. Okay, that's what I'm looking for, price to come sweep it. And right here you can see as if we're having the setup, which is this swing low has been taken out, price is facing back to this fair value gap to come for this low. So I'm going to continue being a buyer. I want to see that price close above this with body, then retracement back into this fair value gap for us to continue to up, and then this will be my draw on liquidity. That's if price has not mitigated or tapped into it here, because right now we're already having something like this over here. So I'm referring back to this here. So from external range liquidity back into internal range liquidity. Looking down in 4 hour, I saw we have this consolidation right here, and price expanded up, and then we'll have this buy side liquidity and also the higher time frame fair value gap. I was like, okay, since this is looking like more like a buy model, I want to buy up to that higher time frame, or wait till price gets to the higher time frame, then I look to sell down. You know, before I change my bias, there must be a break of market structure in the daily time frame. So looking at the 1 hour here, I was like, okay, I have to POI, okay, because I don't want to be buying and or selling in no man's land. I have this higher time frame fair value gap, and I also have this breaker turn, this mitigation block turn into breaker, which I will show you guys soon. That okay, if price should go below the opening price, sweep sell side liquidity and gives the setup, then I'll be looking to buy, and my targets will be what? The higher time frame fair value gap. So going down to real market here, what I'm trying to explain to you guys, we'll have this key level that price hits right here. I also have a sweep, I'll have a displacement, I'll look out this swing high with body. That signals a break in market structure. So I was like, okay, if price should retrace back into this internal range liquidity, because this is a mitigation block, this price was supposed to hit and then will continue lower, but since price disrespected and closed above it, now this will be a support turning towards, this will be a resistance turning into support. So from a sweep break, then retracement into the fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, and the breaker block, I'm looking to buy here, but I think I should just go on and buy the FTMO account right now.
And this isn't about pressure or perfection anymore. It's just about showing up and trusting the process, and remembering that sometimes trading pays when you care just a little less about it. Every day I'm learning, every day I'm growing, and as I step into this chapter, I'm holding on to one truth. For real.
it's not about where I started. I think it's really about how far I've come and just celebrating every little milestone I come across. So, ever since I've decided to be part of the 1%, that's the people who don't just dream but act, who work on themselves every single day. Knowing it's the small steps or the little steps that leads to the big wins. I want to say this to anyone out there listening who might be struggling. Know this. The journey is hard, but it's possible. The lessons I've learned along the way have made all the difference. Build an edge in your trading, something that works for you. Focus on cash flow because having resources gives you freedom, both capital-wise and mentally. Manage your risk and protect what you have while you're making more. Manage your trades and stay disciplined. And most importantly, repeat the processes and habits that work for you. Success doesn't just happen overnight. It's a result of continuously showing up every single day, doing the work and believing in the process. So if I can really make it this far, so can you. So guys, I'm looking for where to get stationaries. Like I said you all the time that my stationaries are all filled up. I'm looking to get a blank. Well, this one I really like it, but it's not much. I'm trying to get a pen. You guys are not going to imagine. Look at something I got. I got like something that even Monday, Tuesdays, it just sets it out. And I think I'm going for this, man. My to-do list is mostly like, should I say, 5 values, 5 daily goals, and 5 daily affirmations. And I just think it fits in. So, daily Dex planner. guys, since yesterday was so occupied and the network was pretty bad yesterday concerning my FTMO account, so my normal time of waking up. So I'm gonna be trying it out this early morning to see if we can get it done. So first of all, you go to FTMO, just normal process as well. And go to the dashboard and select the account you want. Swing, Meta 5. Okay. Then USD. Wow, the percent, damn, the discount is off. So you're gonna confirm payment here and here. So right now, you're gonna select the payment method you want to use. So right here now, you select payment. So I'm gonna be selecting Theta. So I'm gonna make payment right away, okay? Yeah guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys the account. Like I said, I lost a video of the screen recording because my iCloud has been full, so the video got damaged, so I couldn't upload it to my CapCut. So this is the account right here. So this is my first ever FTMO account. So it's ongoing and I've not taken any trade yet on it. I'm taking any trade on it, as you guys can see. I'm taking any trade on it yet. So, and then to go over all the forecasting we did, to see that everything we called out literally happened. TC trade, we hit TP from internal to external. We're targeting this for a reaction and then finally for price to go up, and as you can see, we got the reaction just like we anticipated just here, price. So this is the 4 hour, this was the trade, and look how price smashed above it, like psh, even the USDCHF, yes, that day. So as you can see, look at the trade, like the last forecast, as you can see, this was where the entry was at. And the loser was telling you guys I wanted to see price come sweep. So this is just all beautiful. And in help also you guys, I've been able to accumulate over 500,000 naira from YouTube. It's amazing. And it's not like at first I wasn't able to purchase the account, but there's something called psychology of money. I cannot use all the money I had then to start purchasing an account, forgetting that you have rent, you have other things to take care of and every other thing, and understanding that trading, you have to lose all attachment to the money you're investing in your trading to avoid emotional trades. Okay, so it's been long. I knew I would have been able to afford it, but there's some things I needed to put in place in my life first. Okay, so just really being real honest, so you don't go make the mistake like you have the money then jump into buying the account and try to pass it, and passing shouldn't be your goal, but I think it's growing as a trader as well, because I just think less pressure and more learning and growing. Yeah, so peace.